Hi, my friend. Do you ever feel like your face looks puffy or tired or tense? These are signs that your face and your skin is needing some extra love. So, today I'm going to show you three clear signs that your face needs face yoga and some quick fixes that you can do right now. So, let's begin. So the first sign is usually jaw tension. So we tend to clench our jaws when we're feeling stressed or at night. So this can actually change the shape of our face over time. So what's really important is to release the tension in this muscle. So I like to apply a little bit of face oil here. Then I'm going to take my fingers and glide them all the way out to the ears like this. So when we clench our jaw, we tend to overwork the masseter muscle. And so this movement here is going to release that tension and relax this muscle. But it's also going to help reduce the headaches, because this is usually where they start when we're clenching our jaw here. And it's also going to help reduce that kind of square look that we get sometimes. And that is due to that tension in our jaw. Wonderful. Next, we're going to take our fingers here and gently pinch all the way out like this here as well. This is going to help with that excess fluid moving all the way here that can get stagnant in this area here. So we're going to move it all the way, helping that lymphatic system. So sign number 2 is usually puffiness around the eye area, or just generally looking and feeling very dull around the eye area. So what I like to do is apply a little bit of my Global Treasures eye balm. So I take a little bit, I warm in between my fingers here, and then just apply underneath my eyes, and then a little bit on the brow bone as well. So we're going to start tapping all around the eye area here. This is great for boosting that blood circulation and helping fresh nutrients and oxygen to this area. Really waking up the entire eye area here. Next, we're going to take our fingers here and place them right here in the inside corner of the eye and glide all the way out to the temples like this. Now, the reason we get puffiness in our eye area, under our eye area here, or around our eye area, I should say, is really due to that lymphatic fluid kind of getting stuck. And so we're just helping it drain here. That excess fluid. And we can take our fingers here and also gently gliding them here, moving all the way out to the center, all the way out to the temples. And the third sign is really her whole face starts looking a little bit more dull and tired. And so what I like to do is apply a little bit of Global Face Serum. So applying all over the cheek area, down to the jaw, and on our forehead area here. So we're going to take our fingers here and gently glide them here all the way out from the center. And so I'm going to now take my fingers here, my knuckles, and move them all the way out like this. So when the muscles in our face start getting weak or stagnant, this is when our face kind of looks like a little bit older, starts drooping a little bit. So doing some of these techniques can really help the skin, help the muscles to encourage that lift in our face. Releasing that tension and creating more of the blood and circulation and oxygen and nutrients to our face. So these are just 3 of the most common signs that your face might need a little bit more attention. But the beautiful part about this is that you don't need injections or any expensive treatments. All you need is your hands, your breath, and a few moments of care. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, I have a feeling you might like this video right here, a natural face lift without Botox, so you can keep going. So thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one.